I'm never prepared. I'm never prepared. Just dig through everything because I can never be ready. What kind of YouTuber am I, man? I swear to God. Okay, welcome back to Design Beauty by Kat, you guys. And of course, I got some more of your reviews out. Today, I went ahead and did a eyeshadow look for a subscriber. So it started off like an easy summer look, and then something happened and I got carried away, and that's life. It throws a rock at you.
Just gotta duck and go with it. Okay, that's what happened.
Everyone who I'm getting to the reviews, I'm gonna put the names right in here. This way you know that this video was meant for you and there's no misunderstandings about it. So we're all on the same page, and that's always good, at least for me.
I don't know about you, but I like to be on the same page.
The rest of our reviews today is gonna be for Kylie. We had a request for the Kylie lip products and anything that I have by Kylie. So I've got a couple things. I personally, I'm gonna tell you guys, there's like a lot of controversy around Kylie. I do enjoy her products. A lot of people don't. I'll get some messages, people say, you know, they're hit and miss. They are a hit and a miss. And I'll be honest with you, because some of the lipsticks that I have, like the liquid lipsticks, for some reason they seem to turn a different undertone after a while of wearing it. So it'll start off like pink and then it'll start coming off looking a little orangey. I had that happen with about 2 of the lippies that I had from her. But other than that, the rest of the products I do enjoy. Some people think they're very drying. To me, they're not drying, you know, not from what I've gotten. I do think that there is a little bit of a slight difference in her formula sometimes. I don't know why. I do believe that it's the same factory as the ColourPop factory, and ColourPop is just amazing. I have nothing bad to say about ColourPop. I've never had that difference in undertone with ColourPop. The way you put it on is the way it stays on all day long. I'm gonna start off with this skincare right here that I got in BoxyCharm. This is a really good size, okay? You get a lot in this product right here. 5 whole fluid ounces right here. And as you can see, I've used quite a bit of it. I've been using it every day since I got it. And I got it a few weeks back in the BoxyCharm Premium, I believe it was. And I do enjoy it. It cleanses my face. It doesn't leave me, like, you know, sometimes you have like a cleanser that is way too harsh, you know, with the chemicals on there, and your face will feel tight and it'll feel too dry. Not a good kind of tight, but like a cracking kind of dry tight. I don't get any of that with this. It's just regular. Now I'm going to tell you, you do have to do about 2 or 3 times washing your face to get all your makeup off, but that's not necessarily a negative for me, because I have like 4 or 5 high-end cleansers, and every single one of them I have to do 2 or 3 times to get all my makeup off. I'm talking about the cleansing from Tatcha with the little microbeads. That's an amazing cleanser, but even that one, it doesn't get all the makeup off right away. I have to do it again, you know. Same thing with the Fresh company. I do like theirs. I used almost the entire bottle already. I've got a little bit left, and I even put that in a video a few months back if you guys want to check that out, where I'm talking about skincare. I kind of wash my face for you guys, and I do my eyeliner and try to wash it off, and I show you that you need to do it about 2 or 3 times to get the stuff off. So just because Kylie is the same way, it's not saying anything negative about it. I did this before. I'm going to show you one more time. So it's a really nice foam. It has a very perfumey scent. I can't explain it. It's kind of just perfumey. A perfume I wouldn't buy because I don't really like those kind of perfumes. I like sweet smelling. This is not a sweet smell. It's more of the, well, I don't know what kind of smell it is. It's just not sweet. Okay, so we're gonna move on past that one. I don't have my secretary in here like last time handing me a napkin. I do enjoy that product. I haven't used any other skincare by Kylie, so I can't give you reviews on that one, but this is called the foaming face wash. Now if you have a certain sensitivity to different kind of perfumes, you need to look into that. So check those ingredients before you go purchase it. The next thing from Kylie I'm going to show you is some of my favorite liquid lips from her. There's this one right here, and this one is called Bear. Then we have this one, which is one of her new velvet liquid lipsticks right here. This is also a nice color. So you see both of these are pretty similar, but this one's a slight bit more pinky. Real nice color. You see that? Really pretty. And then this one right here is the velvet. It's a little bit different formula, but I can't say that I can tell much difference, okay? So we'll show you right here. So you see how it's a little bit more deeper. So nice. I love them both. They're very creamy. When she launched, I got like 5 or 6 of her liquid lips and like the kits. You get a lip liner and a liquid lip. I don't know how it is now. I haven't bought a product in about 6 or 7 months. This one that I got, which is the only lipstick that I have from her, which is pretty nice. I got this during the holiday sale. This one's called Almost Ready. Real nice colors. I always enjoy her pinkish, mauvey, nude tones. You see that right there, you guys? All kind of like in the same family. Everybody has a hit and miss with Kylie products. I have no complaints really besides what I already mentioned. Other than that, they're very velvety. They don't tug on my skin. I'm going to show you the 2 lip liners that I have in front of me. I've had about 7 or 8 of her lip liners and I used them all up. So this is what I got left. This one is called Ice Latte right here. So this came in the holiday package with that lipstick that I just showed you. I actually did a review on this and that's way back, I think in December, if you want to see that one. I don't agree with the color that they paired the lipstick with. So I'm going to show you. This was a lipstick, right? And this is the color they paired it with. You see that? That to me does not go
At all.
Typically you would have this shade and then this shade would be about 2 shades darker than this. So they kind of, you know, coincide with each other. Not 2 different, completely different family members, all right? I mean, they're like second cousins. They're not even in the same group, all right? But the good news was I got this in there as well. And I got everything for a $20 kit, you guys. So I got the lipstick, the lip liner, and this for 20 bucks. Oh no, and also the blush. I'm gonna show you that too. This little guy right here is great to pop in your purse and take it on the go. And these are lovely colors. So going back to the summer look, an easy summer look, you got it right here. Just like I said, a light brown with a shimmer. It's all you need. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. So we've got the shimmer right here. Real pretty, you see that? That is really nice. And it is a great matchup, okay? Because you can get a real nice deep crease with that, and then you can just put your shimmer right on top. The formula on this feels good. It feels nice and creamy. This one right here, the reason it's kind of stuck like that is because I have the Kylie foam on here that's still on there, but it blends out really beautifully when I put it on. Now, other than that, I have not tried her other eyeshadows, so I couldn't attest to anything else with that. Next thing I got in the Kylie genre is this right here, and this is the cheek palette, and this one is called We're Going Shopping right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on the cheeks for you because that's what we're here for. We're here to show you everything we can. This is not a color that I gravitate to. I don't gravitate to these orange light colors. That's just not my latte, okay? But I'm gonna show you anyway because that's for the sake of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and just get this Sedona lace brush right here. This is a very pigmented color. So I will tell you that it does pop a punch if you're not careful. See, immediately we've got some color going on. It doesn't feel as creamy as the eyeshadows. Like I said, I really can't say too much about how this one is because I've only worn it once. I was pretty like, ugh, it's not my color. Where's the other stinking brush? Why am I never ready? So I'm gonna try to just tone this down some. It just kind of overtook my cheek there, you know? Okay, so I just had to go off camera real quick and just kind of tone that down a little bit. It was a little stop signish for me, you know what I mean? Popping this lip liner right here. This is a Candy K. This is the kind of color that could have been paired with this, you know what I mean? That is more in the same family. So for them pairing this with that, it's just why? I don't understand why.
Some people, I don't know.
We're not judging. And as I mentioned before multiple times in many past videos, I like to fill in my lips quite a bit with a liner because for me that helps lipstick stay on better. So I will fill in basically all the corner area and a little bit towards the center and then just kind of pop the lipstick in on there. But these just glide right on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get that nice lipstick, okay? And we're gonna throw some of that right in the center. It is super duper creamy. I mean, it's such a lovely lipstick. Now, I've never worn this lipstick alone all day long, so I don't know how long it lasts, but they do transfer. They're not transfer proof. It's just so pretty. It's just really nice. Just to show you a little bit of a contrast, I'm gonna go ahead with the velvet and put a little bit of that right in here. Her liquid lips always smell like candy, like cotton candy, something so delicious. So you see what I did there? I didn't fully cover the entire lip. I gave like a little bit of a contour to the lip. So that is the review for Kylie for you. The last review that I have is going to be for this Honest Beauty right here. Now, I do know the young lady who wanted to see Honest Beauty. She was looking for either the powder compact or the tinted moisturizer. I'm not sure which one she was referring to. This is what I have on hand, and this is the only thing I have by Honest Beauty right now. This is the Jessica Alba brand, but I'll tell you, I'm wearing it right now. I pop it right in here, I put it right here, and a little bit right here. And it really does do a great job of mattifying. It doesn't leave me cakey, because if you take a good look at me right here, I don't look cakey, I don't look overdone. It's just a nice little matted down look. So it does have like this little lid on it, and you just lift it up right here, and you can get some of the product out right here with your brush, and then you can tap off your powder in here instead of just tapping it out into the air. And then you can still go back in here and dip in for the rest. This way you're not wasting product. So that's great. I don't know if you guys knew that, but she does explain that when she talks about this product right here. She has very good clean products, okay? So she made this because she wanted to be a clean company. So I very much appreciate that. I don't know how the rest of her products work. I've heard good things about them. I've wanted to try out one of her blushes, but I haven't got it yet. So if I do get in that tinted moisturizer or compact or whatever it was that Miss Jocelyn would like to see, I'll definitely do a review on that as well. Also, if you don't even want to put on a foundation, let's say you want to just put on a moisturizer, and let's say you want to just have some type of matted down look, so this way you're not going out shiny with your moisturizer, you can use this blurring powder, because it's a blurring powder, and you can just lightly tap it on. And I would recommend using a damp beauty sponge, because that presses it down. When you use just the brush and you pop it with a powder brush, it kind of leaves it looking more chalky, in my opinion. When you say into the skin, you're talking about trying to get it in those pores. This way it blurs them out, okay? So I would recommend you try doing that as well. Let's say you just don't want to wear foundation and you just want to put, you know, your moisturizer and your sunscreen. You can put this right on top of that. So that's another good thing about it. And it's a really lovely product. It doesn't smell so great. It's not like it smells like anything sweet or, you know, chocolatey or anything like that. It just smells like a powder, but more than like almost like flour, you know, like your baking flour, but not. Does that make sense? If I didn't enjoy it, I definitely tell you, because I ain't gonna lie to you. Don't go waste your money on stuff that is no good, okay? But everything that I've reviewed, everything that I've enjoyed, I will always share with you guys. And if I have a review that's not so great, I'm gonna come out here and tell you I don't like that product. But so far, everything that you guys have been asking me for, I do enjoy and I do like. So I hope this review was good for you guys. I had a few people ask about skincare, and just reminding you guys, for all those who did ask for skincare, please let me know down in the comments what type of skin you have, because it really does make a big difference. I mean, everyone's skin is different and no one is the same, okay? That's a good thing. It's a good thing. But if you're oily, then you need a certain type of product. If you're dry, you need a completely different product. If you're combo, you can kind of go either way, but you don't really want to go to the drying side. So I need to kind of know what type of skin you have. This way I can better assess it for you. All right, you guys. So I'll see you in the next one. I hope this was helpful. And that's about it. That's it for today. And I hope you subscribe, because if you haven't subscribed, why wouldn't you subscribe yet? I don't know. Just, I'm cute, you know? I mean, look, I got blue on my eyes, okay? Just hit the subscribe button. And tell your friends, share the video, let people know that I don't scream and yell. I'm one of the nice people, okay? And always be kind to others, please. Please, please, pretty please. Be kind to everybody. And just, if you're in a bad mood, have a latte, okay? Just have a latte and all will be right again. But have like a non-fat vanilla soy cinnamon latte, All right, don't have like craziness in there. Don't want to spike it with any vodka because you're gonna go off the deep end. Okay, love all y'all. Let me know any comments you have, like always, down below, because that's where they go. Okay, see y'all later. Bye. Up this way. Ooh, we've got fairy dust in the air. Where's Peter Pan? Maybe I should click my heels 3 times. No, that's Dorothy. I'm getting all kinds of confused. See what old age does to you? I'm an eyeliner kind of girl, so I kind of wear eyeliner no matter what. I just like to have my eyes lined up on top with a little wing outside, sometimes a longer wing, sometimes a double wing. I don't know, I go lo crazy sometimes. That's just my latte. It might not be yours, but that's just...
It is what it is. Okay, that's my channel.
It just smells more like... The hell does it smell like, man? I don't know. Jeez, you think I've used it enough times. Bye. Why do I keep saying bye? I'm still gonna continue the video. I think my hair's pulled too tight. Okay. Makes thinking process even worse. Then I started thinking, oh, you know what? I want to deepen up the corners, and then I started doing that, and then I started deepening up the crease, and then
I did that, and then after that, I wanted to add some shimmer on top. It got out of control.
And then I'll see you guys in a couple, or maybe a few, or maybe 30 minutes. I think it took 45. So let's just be honest about it. It's just more of a perfume type of scent, you know, and I don't have a napkin, so maybe I shouldn't have done that. But we live and we learn, okay? What it's called. We're gonna go with that because that's what I think it says. So this one's called Almost Ready.